what we have here is a Supreme Mark I, manufactured by Firebird. Yeah, Firebird made all of the Supremes, or at least a good few of them, including the spinner as seen here. It is a 36-inch span. It is light kit adaptable. It is my first Supreme, so that's got something going for it. The motors on these things are interesting. It's the best way to describe it. You got the vents on top of the motor. You got these huge vent scoops. Also, we have the tag. And yeah, those huge scoops propel air through the motor and then out these side vents, which is a very unique feature for a spinner. And the motor's cast aluminum, so that's interesting. Well, not that interesting, but nice. From a distance, you might think these are Demco products, or something to that effect. But nope, Firebird made these. So, anyway, I have this hooked up to a Nutone 4-speed control, so let's see what it does with it. Interestingly enough, the low speed with this control is actually very good. It's almost aesthetic. As of right now, it's pretty quiet. Go up to medium-low. The medium-low on this control is really pretty much a medium speed. It's like a medium-high, really. So what that means is that it is going to give a resonant frequency on medium-high, so that's to be avoided. Because this is pretty close to high. So, yep, now, now to actual high. It's not the fastest 36-inch fan I've seen, but at the same time it actually does move some air, so. I would say in terms of speed, it's similar to any of those Caribbean Breeze, like, residential 4 wood blade spinners. we let it coast. Yeah, the blade irons on this thing are shaped like tombstones, which is a unique Firebird trait. So if you see those irons with other spinners, yep, Firebird. Even if they're labeled Codep or what have you. And there you go. A 36-inch Supreme Mark I spinner made by Firebird.